today and take a look at the 2016 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, stability control, remote power door locks, front license plate bracket, power sunroof, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.